To begin, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open your settings. Under the My Account section, you will find the username option. Tap on it. Now tap on Change Username. Keep in mind, you can change your username only once a year, and it may become available for others to use later. Tap Continue to proceed. First, remove your current username. Then enter your new username in the field provided. If the username you enter is available, you will see, this username is free. Tap Next to continue. To confirm your username change, enter your account password. Finally, tap Confirm to save your new username. You will see a confirmation menu reminding you that Snapchat only allows a username change once per year. Tap Continue. And that's it. Your Snapchat username has been successfully updated. Your friends will still see your display name, with no other changes to your account. So that's how you can change your username in Snapchat.